Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amelia G, and I have another breast cancer awareness nail video. So I found this image on Pinterest and I became inspired to try and do it on my own nails. So first step I'm going to do, of course, is add my peel base to my nails, and then I'm going to apply my base coat. And in this video I chose to use my Azuri Beauty polish, so I'm gonna work with that. And after I apply the base coat, I am then going to cure it, and then I will go in and apply my colors. The colors that I chose was from iGel Beauty, and it's a pink polish. I think it's called Legally Blonde. And in this set I was only going to use my ring finger as an accent finger, but then I decided that I wanted to actually do both my middle and my ring finger for an accent. So my thumbnail, pointer, and pinky are going to be pink, and I didn't have a silver, so I had to literally mix gel polishes together just to get this gray. So I'm going to put this on, and then I'm going to cure it. Then I'm going to go and do 2 coats, and then you all will see the way I design it. So to be honest, I got tired of trying to draw the BCA ribbon because I'm not an artist. So I found these on Etsy, and the girl that I ordered these from was super sweet, and I love the way that they came out. I didn't want them to be too big. I didn't want them to be too small. So right here I'm trying to apply it on my on my ring nail, and I did not want it to be straight. So those of you that are like me with a touch of OCD, I'm sorry, because it was bothering me as well. I wanted it to be off to the side of the nail, but anyway, I just pressed through. And after that, I added on some gems, and then I put on my top coat, and you all will see the end result. That's it. So now I'm gonna add on my cuticle oil, and here's the final results. And I also have a special PSA from niece Ava. Thank you all for watching, guys.
Click subscribe and turn on notifications to give me a huge thumbs up.